Hi, today I'll talk about this video. This video talks about investing in workers and investing in good workers that are underappreciated, and eventually the market will recognize its value. But the key is who recognize the value of the workers. It is not you who recognize the value of the worker. It is actually the market that decides the value of the workers. Have you had this experience before? That even if you work very hard, you give a lot of value to the company, but the company just don't appreciate you, and even for a long time, correct not? Okay, so is it with the stocks? So if you invest in stocks and they are good stocks, but if the market don't recognize it, it can remain down for a long time. Okay, so I'm not saying that technical analysis is the only way. I also use fundamental analysis to help me in my analysis. But my point is, technical analysis is a more systematic way, it's a more objective way of looking at the market. So just want to share this video with you all.